Every trading tool you've ever used does the exact same thing. It tells you what you did wrong after the damage is already done. After watching thousands of traders blow their accounts, not because their strategies were bad, but because their behavior broke down under pressure, I realized something most traders never want to admit. Discipline isn't something that you can just summon when it matters. It's something your system either enforces or it doesn't. There's a moment every trader recognizes. You know your rule, you see the setup, and yet your mind overrides your plan anyway. That's why journals don't save traders, and why willpower collapses when you need it most. So instead of telling traders to try harder or to be better, and instead of building another journal, dashboard, or hindsight tool, I spent the last 10 years building something different. An AI that intervenes before you self-sabotage, before the rule break, before the forced trade, before the FOMO entry, the revenge trade, before tilt hijacks your execution. This isn't analytics, this is real-time psychological intervention. And once you understand why traders fail over and over in the same predictable way, you realize this technology doesn't just make sense, it was inevitable.
I didn't set out to build an AI. I took my first ever trade on February 16th, 2016. Nearly a decade ago. And like most beginner traders do, I thought if my strategy was good enough, the results would take care of themselves. And at first they did. A few early wins gave me a lot of confidence. Then I got access to real capital. I took on my first round of private investment. It was a $100,000 private investment deal that I was trading. On paper, nothing changed. Same strategy, same approach, same market, same rules, same charts. But under pressure, everything fell apart. I started to hesitate on trades that I knew were valid. I cut winners short. And after losses, I broke my own rules. Not occasionally, but in the same ways over and over again. And that's when it hit me. I wasn't failing because I didn't know what to do. I was failing because I wasn't doing it when it mattered most. And that idea itself would stick with me. If I know my rules, why does my mind override them anyway? And that wasn't really a trading question, that was a human behavior question. So I went deeper into human behavior, decision-making under stress, fear responses, reward loops, performance psychology. And what I found was uncomfortable, but it was eye-opening. Under pressure, the brain doesn't care about your trading plan. All it cares about is survival. Once I saw that, I couldn't unsee it. The same patterns kept showing up everywhere. When I consulted for prop firms, when I coached thousands of traders at every different skill level, trading every different strategy, I coached, I consulted, I built tools and processes and frameworks from everything I learned, and results started to improve. That was until, of course, strong emotions came into the picture. Because these insights worked, these tools and processes worked, right up until the pressure hits. And what I realized was the problem was never awareness or lack of awareness, but the problem was enforcing awareness when it matters most. So I built my own prop firm. And instead of trying to fix traders, I built environments, rules, constraints, processes that didn't rely on the trader's willpower or their discipline. When behavior and discipline was enforced by the environment, consistency followed. If it wasn't, traders consistently self-sabotaged. Every time. We tell traders, be more disciplined, as if discipline is something you can just summon under pressure. But discipline isn't something you try to have. It's something your environment and your systems either enforce or they don't. And once you realize that, one truth becomes unavoidable. Behavior doesn't fail randomly. It fails very predictably. And when failure follows a pattern, you can then put tools and processes in place to avoid that pattern and to avoid falling down the wrong path. And that's exactly what Tela-X is.
So instead of explaining this, let me just show you. What you'll see is that you know your rules, you know what your trading rules are, you know what your trading plan says, but you continue to break them anyway because of that survival instinct. You take a planned loss, it hijacks your amygdala, the loss stimulates pain, you want to go back into the market to make it back, you end up over trading or revenge trading, and then there's your blown account. Now this is where Tela-X intervenes. It sees your pre-trade notes. It has a look at your certain states, at the language you're using. It has a look at
the way you're approaching the trade. And then the AI interprets what type of a trade you're going to take, and it stops revenge trading. It blocks revenge trading in real time, and it's going to protect you from losing money. And it also intervenes after wins to stop overtrading and overconfidence, after missed positions to prevent FOMO and any deviation from your baseline. It sees your blind spots, and it identifies your common patterns, and it monitors those. And then you can start to ask Tela-X, the AI, why you do certain things. And it's going to look through all your data, and it's going to give you recommendations. It's going to show you how much money you're going to save per month. And then one of the most important features for your funding challenges to never blow a funded challenge again, what you'll see is when you're not using Tela-X, you start to revenge trade. You start to get into the danger zone. But when you turn Tela-X on, it monitors your trading funding challenges automatically. And it intervenes when you're about to do silly things so you can get back on track and you can use the proper risk management. Tela-X suggests your risk depending on where you are in profit and where you are in drawdown, and it helps you adhere to your processes and trading plan. So this is in real time intervention for your trading to keep you on track, to keep you sticking to your trading plan.
Once you see this pattern, the real problem becomes very obvious. All the trading tools that you have access to up until this point give you feedback after the damage is already done. You know, when you work with your trading coach, they're going to tell you what you did wrong after you've already lost the money. When you journal, you're going to discover what you did wrong after you've already lost the money. But mistakes don't happen after emotions. They happen because of the emotion. By the time the awareness arrives, the decision's already been hijacked. The rule break has already happened. That's why traders can explain exactly what they do wrong and still repeat it. Not because they're unaware, but because every existing solution arrives too late. So I knew that I needed to build something that intervened before execution breaks. Tela-X is the end result of the question I've been asking for nearly a decade. Why is it, despite knowing what to do, I still break my own rules? This final work came from every angle of that problem. From being a trader, from being a coach, from being a consultant, from running my own prop firm, from observing thousands of traders experience the same problem, from helping traders rebuild new environments and new structures that help them perform at a higher level. For the first time, discipline isn't something that you hope for under pressure. It's something that Tela-X enforces for you. Tela-X is my life's work, my magnum opus, and I hope you check it out.